Hello everyone. In this example, you will open the file C02 STAAD Connect ex4.std. Next, you will create a material and assign it to a structure. To do so, first open the software. After opening the software, the interface will look like this. To open any existing file, choose Open Other Models from the Open area. The Open dialog box is displayed. Now, browse to C drive, STAAD example folder. Choose the C02 STAAD Connect, C02 STAAD Connect ex4 file. The file is loaded. Now, press Shift N to hide the node number and Shift P to hide the member number. Now, select all the members and choose Translational Repeat tool from the Structure panel of the Geometry tab. The Translational Repeat dialog box is displayed. Specify the values in the dialog box as number of steps as 1 and the default step spacing as 3 meters. Choose the Y radio button in the global direction area. Select OK. Now the structure is complete. Create a material to assign it to the structure. To do so, go to the Materials tab. The Material Whole Structure window is displayed. In this window, choose the Create button. The Isotopic Material dialog box is displayed. In the Title drop-down of Identification area, choose Concrete. Now, specify the name Conc, value for the material properties as Young's modulus 22,000 kN per meter square, Poisson's ratio as 0.2, density as 23.5616, the thermal coefficient as 1 e to the power 0.005 per degree Celsius, critical damping as 0.05, and the shear modulus as 0, and choose the OK button. The conc material is created and displayed in the title drop-down. Choose the conc material and then select Assign to View Radio button in the assignment area and choose the Assign button. The STAAD.Pro CONNECT Edition message box is displayed. Choose Yes. The material gets assigned to the entire structure. Choose the Save As button from the File menu to save the file. The Save As dialog box is displayed. Specify the file name in the Edit box as C04 EX1. In the Location Edit box, specify the folder as C04 STAAD Connect. To do so, choose Browse. Go to C drive, STAAD example folder and select the C04 STAAD Connect folder. Choose Select Folder option and choose the Save button to save the file. Thank you for watching.